G'day, welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Here we are on what's going to be the last episode of the KTM 200 rebuild. So today we're just buttoning up the last few things, fixing up the exhaust, new chain for it, getting it running, doing a bit of running process, make sure it rides nicely, and then it'll be all sweet and good to go. So let's get started. I think we're going to do the chain first, and then move through the bike and make sure everything's really tip top before we start running it and riding it around and seeing how it goes.
The perfect thing right now then. Happy birthday.
Wow, I don't know whether you can see, but this is my birthday present from Mr. Reese. Hey! Thank you so much. Awesome.
You sit up here, like,
oh, was it?
Where's he going to find it and go, what's this?
Woohoo! Another new mug. Love it. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks, Reese. Alright, so we've utilised the same chain but a new master link, and we've adjusted the chain, so it's a bit of fluffing around, doing all that stuff. And Mr. Reese is over here working on the exhaust still. We're just trying to work out a way to mount that up. It is a different exhaust from a different year model, but it seems to be pretty close, and we're just got to make it work. So yeah, we're ticking boxes.
It may be better to move that back to here so it does push it over.
Yeah. Okay, just messing around with a few little bits and pieces, taking our time. These things are dangerous. Okay, the exhaust is all nice and solid mounted now. We've got all the rubber there done, and we've just got a little temporary mount here for that one. We'll get a nice rubber one back on there later. But now we've had a little bit of a leaky problem with what we think might be the drain bolt for this gearbox oil, so we're going to tip it over on its side and have a little look at this bolt and see what we can do to fix it.
Oh, that's one of your friends as well there.
Beg your pardon?
On the road.
Oh yeah.
Are you Reese? Mr. Reese from JoeJoeMoto? Oh yeah, there you go. Cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, really nice guy, good dude.
Yep.
We were chatting, he's like, oh, so what bike are you doing? My wife's, oh cool, yeah, I watch all your stuff, yeah, really good and so.
That's cool.
He was really happy with your channel there, Joe.
Nice.
Farm bolt.
Bolts.
Farm bolt.
So yeah, on the bike we've been, as we're doing things, we've been going through and replacing all the farm bolts with genuine stuff, just to make it nicer to work on and easier to work on. And any farm bolts that we've added, we're going to be replacing with proper bolts as we go through as well. It would have been nice to have that bolt.
Yeah.
Starting to get to the pointy end of things here, put some fuel in it, air in the tyres, and yeah, hopefully it starts again, hey? Of course it will. Nearly a runaway diesel then, mate. First ride of Miss Jodie's bike, it is back in action. Just running it through some heat cycles, getting it nice and warm, putting a bit of load on it. It's got everything in the bottom, like straight away. I can feel that. Mr. Reese was saying it doesn't feel like the power valve was opening sort of thing, but I feel like it's got everything right from the bottom straight away. like all the power's right down there, which is going to be perfect for this Jody. Running nicely, not making any weird sounds. Clutch feels really good. A little bit fluffy up the top, a little bit fluffy, I can feel that. Again, we're just running it in, I don't want to rev it right out or anything, so. It's got good power right from the bottom. What an awesome, awesome success, huh? So after running it through a heat cycle, we just sort of chilled out, had some lunch. Now we're doing some of the other little bits and pieces, grips, which is a terrible job and not very fun. But yeah, all going well though, going really well. Bike's running great. New grips installed and bark busters are manipulated to be a little bit straighter now. So that's all good to go. Takes a lot of time doing all these little bits and pieces. I've been working on this for a while, so it's definitely cooled down a lot, and we'll head back out for another little ride and get some heat back into it, make sure it's all good to go. I think that's pretty much it then. Just running it through another heat cycle. And again, just checking over everything, making sure no leaks or anything like that. And just making sure it's all good to go. Oh, he's hit another neutral. Whoa, that's extreme, man. Yoo-hoo! Dang. Graham, is that you? Is that Graham Jarvis?
Yeah, that's me, mate.
Nice wheelies, Graham. What do you reckon?
Good.
Yeah, good.
I didn't play with that though.
No, I haven't played with that yet.
But you could hear it.
Yeah, I heard that then. It was like it was cold or whatever, it just wouldn't get up on band sort of thing.
So much torque though.
I know, it's crazy, hey?
Yeah, it's really good.
Race mechanic. Doesn't even take his helmet off. Gloves are still on.
So we'll then go like a half turn one way.
Yeah.
Try it. Back to normal, try it. Half turn the other way.
Okay.
And then find a nice
See what
spot
happens. Okay.
in between.
A few little power valve adjustments, and I think we've got it kicking now. Oh, there we go. Oi! Oh, she's definitely getting run in, that's for sure. nearly eye-sighted. It's got a lot of poke, hey?
It picks the front up.
Yeah. Yeah. So is that too much then? Should we back it off? Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
So that was 2 turns in from really bad, basically, yeah.
Nothing, yeah.
From really bad. So if you just went to 1 turn then.
Yeah, back to where we had it.
Where you had it that first time just before, and it was actually working a bit.
Yeah, and it ran really nicely. Had a lot of low ends, but it wasn't scary, snappy.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon that's where you'd want it.
Yeah, I'll just go for a ride around.
Yep.
Perform.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon it's pretty well ready to hand over the keys, huh? If it had keys.